Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. First, keep your paired iPhone and Apple Watch within range and charge both to at least 50%. Backup if you want to preserve settings and health data. Unpairing creates a backup automatically. Make a quick decision. Do you want to reset only fitness calibration or fully erase the watch to clear activity rings? Once decided, proceed with the matching method on your iPhone or directly on the watch, so you don't accidentally lose an unsaved backup. Now execute the chosen path. If unpairing from the iPhone, open the Watch app, tap All Watches, hit the info icon, then unpair Apple Watch. This erases the watch and stores a backup so you can restore later. If erasing on the watch, go to Settings, right arrow, General, right arrow, Reset, right arrow, Erase all content and settings and enter your passcode. This is quicker but won't create a phone backup. For only activity calibration, open Watch app, right arrow, Privacy, right arrow, Reset Fitness. Finish by setting the watch up as new if you want activity fully cleared. Restoring from backup will reintroduce previous ring history, so choose carefully. Once setup completes, open the Activity app on the watch and health on your iPhone to verify that rings and steps start fresh. If the watch won't erase or activation lock appears, make sure you're signed out of iCloud, remove the device from Find My, and update iOS/WatchOS. These steps usually resolve blocking issues before repeating the erase process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.